Yo, 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 what it do? It's your boy Al Wu with the shoe. And y'all see the wall of fame, family. We are growing. Thank you for all my family members. But if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We talking about Big Snoop, S-N-O-O-P-D-O-G-G. That's right. Snoop Dogg was one of the torch carriers for this 2024 Olympics. He's been lighting up stuff for 30 plus years. This man deserves this torch lighting duty. I mean, come on, who's the best qualified celebrity / national treasure to do so than Snoop? And he did it in style. Look at those gold Skechers. Now, I know, Skechers, they aren't on the map like that. But I bet you after Snoop wore these, they stock rose by 15%. But look at them, man. These gold Skechers are crispy. They like the perfect performance athletic shoe with a little bit of style and grace. For a man that has always had style throughout his career, I think he did a good job. He participated in the 200 meters, the Olympic trials. So he's been having his hands on this Olympic situation for a minute now. I think it's something dope. He's wearing those gold sneakers looking like he's about to continue to try to run. So, hey, man, at 50-something years old, Snoop is out here moving, grooving, dude. Representing the U.S. of A, man. I think they sweet, dude. Seriously. I don't really wear Skechers. I wear a bunch of New Balances when I want comfort. I'm going to even get some Asics. But Skechers, if y'all see this, make those gold shoes AGR. Make them a full family run and call them the Gold Olympic Snoop Editions. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Then holler at your boy Al Wu with the shoe. I need 10%. Come on, Skechers. Y'all know y'all need a creative director. Come on. I'm the one. So, what do y'all think about those gold Skechers Snoop was carrying the torch with during this Olympics? Yeah, I think it's sweet, man, to see all these different national treasures, people we grew up on, get to participate in things in other areas and arenas that they definitely was not doing when we first got introduced to these individuals. Salute to Snoop, salute to the U.S. of A, and I hope we bring home all the gold like his gold Skechers. It's Al Wu with the shoe. You know what to do. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah. You guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Wu with the shoe.